For a second, we're actually getting a reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Ms. Anila Singh is joining us on the broadcast. Good afternoon to you, ma'am. What do you have to say about the protests that have been undertaken by several opposition parties? Many of them, of course, constituents of the India bloc, objecting to these draft UGC rules. They've basically said this undermines state rights. Your response, ma'am?
My Ramna to all, and the fact is that the opposition party who are opposing right now, they are of regressive mindset. They want that India or the people living in this great country of ours, they should not study the right things, the right facts, in the right way, where they can compete with the best of the world universities and educational institutions. So the reality is, if I talk about the Modi Sarkar, we want that our generation should be so well prepared to compete with the world level institutes that we create a name in it. And for that, changes are required. And that is why these drafts are coming for further discussion. And just see what opposition is doing, what drama Rahul Gandhi is doing, because these are the people who have taught communist education to our nation. So now it is the high time, it should be changed, and we are going to bring the change.
Just a follow-up question to that, Ms. Anila Singh. These are draft rules and regulations. Obviously, they're open for feedback. Now that the states are basically saying that this undermines state rights, especially with respect to the appointment of vice-chancellors to state universities, is that something that the union government will be willing to reconsider?
These are the things to be discussed. Okay. So the drafts are coming. Now discussions will be there. If they have got some issues, they can always discuss.
Yes.
But largely I know one thing, that the Modi Sarkar is going to take the step in favor of the people living in our country.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Anila Singh, for that perspective. Let's also once again listen in to more reactions coming in from members of the India bloc. Here's what K. Kanimoni had to say. She belongs to the DMK.
Yesterday also in Karnataka there was a meeting of all the education ministers and higher education ministers. There's been a memorandum which they have come out with saying that they oppose this amendments to the UGC, and you've seen leaders from different parties are coming together today in the DMK student wing protest against what the union government is doing. Yes, against the UGC regulations, because it's just not taking away state rights, it's taking away the rights of the students, and their futures are being taken away. So that we have to.
We have Mr. Ameek Jamai also joining us of the Samajwadi Party. Mr. Jamai, we heard Akhilesh Yadav ji speak at that congregation. He's of course said this is a violation of state rights. Rahul Gandhi has said this is an RSS imposed NEP. But these are draft regulations and guidelines which are of course open for feedback and reconsideration. Do you believe that your objections will be given due scrutiny by the centre?
देखिए, हमारे नेता माननीय अखिलेश जी बहुत शुरू से कह रहे हैं कि चाहे वो नीट का सबसे बड़ा देश का जो एग्जामिनेशन था वो कंप्रोमाइज हुआ. आपने देखा कि इतना प्रेस्टिजियस एग्जामिनेशन, तो न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी हो या पूरा जो यूजीसी है, इसका सैफ्रनाइजेशन हो चुका है कंप्लीटली. आरएसएस इसको है, और हमारी जितनी यूनिवर्सिटियां भारत की बनी हुई हैं, जो सरकारी यूनिवर्सिटियां हैं, चाहे उसमें 70% टीचर्स हैं, उनकी भर्तियां नहीं हो रही हैं, और उसके अंदर आरएसएस के कैडर को इंस्टॉल करना, जेएनयू जैसे विश्वविद्यालय को बर्बाद करना, जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया जैसे विश्वविद्यालय को, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी को बर्बाद करना. सरकार के पास सिर्फ एक काम है कि जो भारत में जो बनी हुई चीजें हैं उसको कैसे बर्बाद किया जाए और कैसे यूजीसी का सैफ्रनाइजेशन करके पूरी एजुकेशन का जो हमारा भारत का सिस्टम है उसको खत्म करके विश्वविद्यालय जो विदेश के हैं उनको लाया जा रहा है हमारे देश में इन कॉपरेशन में कि अब वो विश्वविद्यालय चलाएंगे. तो नरेंद्र मोदी जो है हर मोर्चे पे, चाहे रोजगार का मोर्चा हो, चाहे शिक्षा का मोर्चा हो, चाहे कृषि का मुद्दा हो, कंप्लीटली फेल्ड पर्सन, और उन्होंने भारत को बिट्रे करने का काम किया. देश के युवा आज देख रहे हैं कि अखिलेश यादव जी और आदरणीय राहुल जी ये होने नहीं देंगे हम लोग किसी भी कीमत पे जो सरकार करना चाहती है.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे जुड़ने के लिए मिस्टर अमीक जमाई. ऑल द ऑब्जेक्शंस रेज्ड बाय द स्टेट्स विल वेट एंड सी एज टू हाउ द सेंटर नाउ रिस्पॉन्ड्स टू दिस. वील स्लिप इनटू अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक. We'll come back with more on the other side.